Today we're going to be making an Easter bunny, and the only tools you're going to need is some water, a pencil and some clay. The first thing you do is make two balls. One ball slightly bigger than the other one. Once you've made your two balls, take the smaller one, like so, and we're going to squeeze just one end, like that, to make a nose, like so. Second thing we're going to do is put a bit of water on the larger bit of clay, and we're going to attach the smaller bit to it. And we're going to smear it in to attach it. Then we're going to make some eye sockets, so take the end of your pencil and just push it in quite deep to make the eye sockets. Yep. The next thing, take two pieces of clay, roll them into balls about equal size, and just squeeze gently on either one of them. Then we're going to attach it as feet, like so. So we've got a couple of feet. The next thing, we're going to make another couple of little balls of clay, a bit smaller, these ones, like that. I'm going to put these halfway up his body and just smear it on. That's his front paws. And then we take some more clay, another small ball of clay, and we'll just flatten that out like that. Flatten it out. We're going to stick that round the rear end of his tail. Two more tiny balls of clay, like that. Smooth them out the way so you can see that. And that's the same size. These are going to be his eyes, so we're going to put them in the sockets we made earlier. Just push them in with some water as a glue. Right, we're going to take the last piece of clay, break it in half, and we want to roll this into like a cylinder, so it's fatter at one end than the other. So, and these are going to be the ears. And what you do is you put your finger in the water and you gradually smooth on one side, so you make like a groove and a point. Next thing, we're going to take the point to the pencil and we're going to make some claws. So we just something like three toes, do 3 toes, same on the top, 3 toes, 3 toes. And then we're going to make the nose. So we just have one piece coming down like that, coming across like that, coming across like that. The nose, I can't really see. And then the eyes. We can push the end of our pencil in a bit to make the eye, like that, if it's big enough. Or just use the point. I'll put some lines, furry lines on his tail. So. And now the time's come to attach his ears. So what we do is we put some water along the top and we push them on. And we smear it down from the back, like that. Same on the other side. Smear it down from the back. And just push this end in a little bit, end of the pencil, so it attaches it well. A bit of water, smooth it out. Do his nose again. Messed up his nose. And there you have an Easter bunny. And you can smooth it out with sponge and water to make him nice and smooth.